I bet you didn't know okra can detangle 4C hair better than some conditioners. Guys, okra is not just for food. It can actually be used to detangle your hair, give you crazy sleep, and leave your 4C hair soft and easy to manage. And honestly, I was shocked when I first tried this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I make this super cheap Okra gel for detangling my hair for literally just a few coins. So wait till the end because the sleep on this thing is insane. First things first, we start by cleaning our okra and putting it in cold water and washing it properly because sometimes okra comes with some bit of dirt, so just clean it up and we want our gel to be super clean. Then next is we are going to cut into smaller pieces. Yes, the smaller the pieces, the more sleep we'll get. So think of it just like you're unlocking the magic juice inside, okay? So some of the benefits of the okra is, did you know that it is packed with vitamins that support healthy hair growth? It has vitamin A for moisture, vitamin C to strengthen your hair, and vitamin K for a healthy scalp. So while you're detangling, you're actually feeding your hair. Okay? And that's not even the best part. Okra gives your hair crazy sleep. You will be seeing with my hair. This is why detangling becomes so easy. Your comb just slides through. Because of that sleep, it also helps reduce the breakage. Less pulling, less snapping, and way less pain. Once we've cut our okra and added water, we let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Then this is where the magic starts happening. Look at that slime forming. That's the natural gel coming out. And even the color changes into this green, beautiful mixture. Then we will be letting it now cool. We let it cool until it is pretty cold because you don't want burning your scalp. You don't want to burn your scalp. Don't.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts
Once it's
finding
fully
where to
cool
meet.
and safe for our hair, now we sieve it. And this part is very important because okra has some tiny seeds. So if you don't strain it properly, these seeds will end up in your hair. And we don't want that struggle. So filter everything out. And what we are left with is this beautiful slippery gel. Then we pour it into our applicator bottle. And yes, you don't need anything fancy, even a homemade bottle works. Just poke holes into the cup and you're good to go. Look at that. Look at that. So, okay, guys, if you watched up to this point, please comment okra down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. These are the okra leaves that remained. But look at this. Just look at that sleep. This is literally what makes detangling 4C hair so much easier. No pulling, no stress, just glide. I love this so much. Guys, look at my hair. I keep telling you, do the things I teach you on this channel. Look at my hair, guys. Look at that. This hair is 1 year, 6 months. Oh my God, I don't believe this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look how thick it is, guys. Look at how. And you know, it just has shrunken. I don't blow dry my hair most times. So look at that. Look. 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 Guys, look. That's my hair. Anyway. Don't mind my hair excitement as I was doing that video. So I always divide my hair into 4 sections when I'm going to apply. This helps me make sure every part gets enough sleep and moisture. So I'll start applying the okra gel section by section. And guys, listen carefully. Did you know okra helps reduce breakage during detangling? Because of this sleep, your comb just glides. And someone will ask, why is sleep so important for 4C hair? Because guys, you know our hair. you know how rough it is. It can be really rough and tangled. So because without this sleep, you get breakage, you will get pain, you will get frustration. And someone will ask me, can you leave okra gel in your hair? Yes, you can use it as a pre-poo or rinse out treatment. But I personally prefer it rinsing it out after this detangling. Now look at this section. See how easily the comb goes through. There's no struggle, no tears, just smooth detangling. I really, really loved this. I just love our these natural remedies work. You see, it's just very natural. It's less than $1. Actually, in my country, okra goes for 50 shillings, the ones that I was using. That means it's roughly less than half a dollar, if there is something like that. Yeah. So I continue applying and notice that I am applying from the roots. I apply a maximum amount at the roots, and I also apply quite some amount at the tips as well. I make sure that every strand has this okra gel. Look at that. I loved, loved, loved doing this. The other benefit of okra is that also it helps moisturize dry hair. You can see how soft my hair is being left and how smooth and easy to manage. And honestly, it can even act as a natural conditioner. It gives your hair that soft conditioned feel. Okay, so I am making sure that I am applying to all the sections by just repeating the process for all sections. So, and honestly, you can see every section feels easier than the last one. That's when you know something is really working. Now let's talk about storage. Because this is natural, it doesn't last very long. You can keep it in the fridge for like 3 to 5 days, but after that, it can go bad. So it's best to make small amounts time to time. And then if we were to compare this to the regular conditioners from the store, I'd say okra gives way more sleep, especially for detangling. But conditioners are made for convenient and they may last longer. So this is just very perfect if you want a DIY at home, natural. I will definitely, definitely be trying this over and over. So I'm done applying on the sections. Now I just want to apply overally on my hair. To be honest, this gel can be a bit messy to work with. I'm not even going to lie. I'm sure you've seen it as I was applying, and you really have to strain it properly because those small seeds can get stuck in your hair. But overall, I would say the pros definitely outweigh the cons. Now we are just combing the hair all through. You know, honestly, if Fossy hair had a personality, I would say no water, no sleep, no peace. Because where? But really, I like how soft my hair feels at this juncture. I love the curls that it is forming. If I were to compare this with the flaxseed, I'd say flaxseed holds more in terms of the curls, but I also love the curls that this was forming on my hair. It's very beautiful. I felt it feel very soft, well detangled and juicy, fussy hair. All from something as simple as okra, and you guys have it in your kitchen. So just know that nature didn't really play with this one. I love, 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 love how the hair feels. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. So this is the hair that came out. Very little if you ask me, because fussy hair, we know we break a lot of hair most times because it's very fragile. And then I keep that cap on. I'll also be linking the video on the flaxseed so that you guys can compare and tell me which one you prefer. And I'm also linking the one that I compared, the banana versus avocado hair mask. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Kisses.